Hello, my name is Andrew Wenzel, and my teammates are Harsh Shah and Ashwini Nayak. Our project was done as part of the Visual Data Science graduate course at the University of Illinois Chicago in fall 2018. Our project is on identifying opioid abuse in the Chicago area. So we have some views that allow us to view prescription information filled between 2013 and 2016. Here in the top left corner, you can see a plot of all of the addresses of patients and doctors in our data sets. The patients are color-coded so that they are darker based on the amount of overlap in their prescriptions, and the doctors are color-coded based on the amount of patients that have visited that doctor. Additionally, you can use this slider to filter out patients or doctors with a color darker than a certain amount to help better identify outliers. So that's a global view. You can also get more details about a given patient or doctor by clicking on one of them, and that will change these next three views as well as this ID showing the current active selection. So in this top right corner, you can see a plot of all of the pharmacies. If we click on a new patient, it will change the view so that it has the pharmacies that that patient has visited and the animation showing the path that the patient took to visit those pharmacies. Additionally, if we look down in the bottom left corner, we can see a graph showing the connections between the patients and the doctors and pharmacies that they have visited. Green corresponds to doctors, blue corresponds to pharmacies, and the size of the node indicates how many prescriptions that are associated with that doctor or pharmacy for that patient. Additionally, in the bottom right corner, you can see a timeline that shows time versus the amount of active prescriptions that the patient has. So a higher blue bar indicates that there's overlap in their prescriptions at that date. The yellow bars indicate dates that they've taken out new prescriptions, and you can get more information with the tooltip. You can also filter by drug type and zoom in on the x-axis. Additionally, you can select doctors and get a similar view from the map, or if you want, you can go down to the bottom right corner, left corner at the node graph and double click on a doctor, and it will give you details similar to the patient about that doctor. So you can see the pharmacy that the doctor has visited. You can see the patients that have visited that doctor. There are many for the doctors. And a graph showing all of the prescriptions associated with that doctor that have been filled that are active for blue and taken out for a given day for yellow. In this top right corner, we also have a back button.